For the repair of HiAN50 air circuit breaker, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and internal lubrication and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220-volt AC power supply and one portable tester. At first we tripped the breaker manually. Then we use the test for the following tests. The first tester is officially provided by Hyundai, and we perform the test air circuit breaker electronic unit. At first we perform the long time delay test, or LTD on short, with load at 235 mA and the breaker trips after 37,615 seconds. Next we perform a short time delay test, or STD on short, with load at 571 mA and the breaker trips at 401 milliseconds. Next we perform an instant test, with load at 1921 mA and the breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we perform the preferential test with load at 259 mA and the preferential alarm indication turns on 9.341 seconds. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker HiAN50 is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the client.